Good afternoon, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. Hope everybody had a good Monday. I'm just hanging out here with the Petunias, relaxing, getting ready to do some editing. I got some really good train action today for you. Caught one train in 4 different locations. Hit the Grand Slam on that, so make sure you check it out. In the meantime, I picked up a lot of really good train action with some Autoracks, manifest trains, and of course some Intermodals. Some construction going on around the sides, so make sure you check them all out. Subscribe to the channel. That's the most important thing you can do. Share with your friends. Give us that big thumbs up. Hey, we love you guys, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye. Hey, railroad fans, the Cajon Pass. We're going to put some equipment on the side over here. Just going to just flip the switch there, I think. We'll see. We're going down main one. They're going to take this. They're going to take this one off. I guess they're trying to put them in there in a certain order. Way up there by the sandstone, there's a Union Pacific Autorack tied down. I'm kind of waiting for that to release. Hopefully it will. I'm not sure why they did that. If anybody knows why they pulled those vehicles up and then that guy did something in the box, now they're pulling them all back. I thought their intention was just to put them on the side over here. There he goes, boom. Why they had to come and go back, I'm not sure. Should be pulling off this time. There it goes. There's a sidetrack down there. We don't have a lot to do, so showing you this. There's a Herzog ballast train tied down about 3 miles to our west. I've only filmed one of those one time, but it's in a place I really would have a little trouble getting to. I probably could get to it, but it's just sitting there, so. We were sitting there yesterday, too. I'm hoping it unties. So hopefully I'll have that Herzog ballast machine train for you. The siding kind of drops down a little bit over here. Buddy? Buddy's right here.
You ready for Siberia, Danny?
I'm pretty sure this is this crew talking, but I'm not 100% positive. Switch back now. Guy walking down there, walked by my car. He seems, I wonder if he's the one the security's been looking for. Yeah, right there. He's been walking around aimlessly. I think he's waiting for a train. He's in for a hot day out there. It looks like he's getting ready to get out of town. Maybe I'll get it on film. We'll see. Locking the switch down there now. We know you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon if you can. And super chat, super thanks, and super something else now. We really appreciate all the contributions. This guy's got an eye on him too. All right, we love you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.